Welcome back to another tutorial for the Coffee Meets Bagel dating app. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log out and switch accounts within this application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Coffee Meets Bagel app on your device, and once you are taken into the homepage, you can start matching with various users right away. Now, if you are looking to switch your account or log out and sign into a different one, then to do this, tap on the Me icon at the bottom right corner. Then from your profile page, tap on the gear icon at the top right. And now if you scroll all the way down, you will see the logout button. Go ahead and tap on it, and this will log you out from your account right away, which will take you back into the login page. Now, if you wish to log into a different account, tap on I've been here before, and then you can sign in using your phone number for the different account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out and switch your accounts on the Coffee Meets Bagel dating app. If you find this video helpful, make sure to drop a like on this video and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next one.